2.5, the discriminant. The discriminant is very important. Why? Because this can be identified. The equation have the root. One root, two, or no roots. Okay? Let's look in deeply. So this we normally called quadratic equations. And b squared minus 4ac. This is we call discriminant. So if discriminant greater than 0, so the function have two distinct real roots. If the discriminant equals 0 and the fx can be 1 and repeated root, means x1 root 1 equal root 2. If discriminant less than 0, the fx, the quadratic equation fx have no roots. That it's hard to understand, right? But we simply use the graphs. So the first we have to understand the root. What the root means. The roots can be identified intercept with the x. So if a greater than 0, maybe a is a positive. So the graphs looks like u, right? If a less than 0 is a negative, so the graphs, the curves looks like n, right? So root means intersects with the x. So in here, if the discriminant over 0, they have two roots. Maybe here, looks if here. If the discriminant equals 0, there will be one root. In here. Maybe one root can be what we learned last session, eternity point. Okay. If discriminant less than 0, look at these graphs. You can look at these curves. You can see there's no intercept in the x. This is very important when we solve the quadratic equations by using discriminants. Okay? Let's do some examples. Find the value range k for this equation has no real solutions. No real solution in other means root. So no root. In other words, means what? The discriminant equal this discriminant less than 0, right? So the first things we have to find the discriminant. So discriminant can be written by b squared minus 4ac. In these equations, b equal minus 4 squared and minus 4a in here is 3 in brackets. Say in here means k. So we have solved these equations. So it can be 16 minus 12k. It will be lesser than 0. Okay. So in here range negative 16. So k must be negative is positive over 12 over 16 over 2 might be simplified by 4 over 3. When k greater than 4 over 3, the fx equations have no real solutions. Did you get it? Thanks for watching. Thank you.